Hey, it's Steve Zonardo here. Just came to check in on the restaurant/cocktail lounge. I'll give a quick idea, give everybody a quick idea of what's currently happening. As you can see, walls are painted, trims are in, floors have been installed. This is exactly where we kind of left it off last time with the floors installed. But now the trims are in, bathrooms are coming together. According to the sink. Yeah. Still crew here. Quite nice. You kind of see like the niches in the wall. These benches are pretty much where we left them off. We just finished the ceiling in this room here. This is going to be, I would imagine, the private room. So they did the decking in the rear here with the pool bar. A little upsetting. Actually, I came to the gym this morning. I come to the gym every morning at like 6:30, and we have no access to it. It's strange because that's the door to get in, and they've locked it all down, so they're opening up at 8 a.m., which is like super late. It sucks a bit, but it's all good. We got a home gym. We'll hammer out there. It's for the greater good, I guess. Can't wait for this is all done. This is awesome. This is going to be the weekend getaway with the wife. Bring the Vespa. Very nice and easy drive. Yeah, really nice materials are using too. So this is just a feature wall. This is gonna be my favorite spot. This is the cocktail lounge. This is really cool. What a nice feel in there. Like a speakeasy feel. Oh, lower ceilings. Hopefully these garage doors will get opened up when it gets a little cooler. Because currently we're at about 109 with the humidity during the day. Yeah, it's a quick update. And this is cool too, so this is kind of sanctioned off from the rest of the pool area. Kind of get an idea of how this all looks now. Oh, I took the fence down. Fair enough, okay. That looks a lot nicer now. Yeah, kitchen's underway. Still very much to do in there. It just the office space in the front looks like they've completed most of it, and now they're getting the kitchen together basically. So these are the bathrooms here for the cocktail lounge. Again, walls, trims, doors, that's all done. Clearly this has to be completed. And there's probably going to be some sort of feature. I would imagine maybe some wood, some trimming around it to make it look a little more. Oh, so there you go. They're probably going to do it like this. Kind of see here they got like sort of a hardwood feel to it. Kind of built it up, which is quite cool. Just walk through the kitchen. And this is the hood range, which is massive. Literally, it's got to be about 30 feet long. Quite industrious, that's for sure. And this is now like there's the deep freezer already running, or the walk-in fridge rather. And that's pretty much it. So well underway. They're saying by the end of the year, hopefully sooner, but they are hammering away. We'll keep you guys posted.